Hi guys, apparently it's my turn to make the tea again tonight. So I've been given some guidance. Fish cakes apparently with chips. Smoked haddock, melt in the middle fish cakes. Okay, do I need my glasses or can we read this? Okay. There we go. Oven cook in 19 to 20 minutes. See reverse for full cooking and storage instructions. Reverse. Okay, that probably means we've got to get the label off somehow. Just see the back of it. I'm going to have to put you on a tripod, aren't I? Oh, we need chips as well, so... got any already opened? Doesn't look like it. Right, that says 18, 10, 21. We'll just try and make sure we use the right date. That says 18, 10, 21. And that says 18, 10, 21. So they're all the same date, so I'm not using them out of date. So chips, fish cake, yeah, I'll put you on a tripod, which just happens to be standing here. Right, so on the back of here, yeah, instructions. The following are guidelines only. Oven cook. Preheat oven to 200 or fan oven 180. Well, this is a fan oven, so turn it on. I know how to do that bit. 150. Goes around to 150. No, 180. Oh, a bit further then. 180. Put fish cakes on a baking tray and cook in the centre of the oven. Okay. Make sure food is piping hot and cooked throughout before serving. Do not reheat. Right. That baking tray will do for them, but we also need one for the chips because they go in the oven as well. That's the one we use for the chips. I always put too much on. we do. Right, cooking instructions for the chips. Oven cook, 220 degrees. Fan oven 200. 15 to 20 minutes. And they were 19 to 20 minutes. Okay, and they're both supposed to go in the middle, which they can't possibly both be in the middle. We don't go and get hold of things when they're too hot, do we? Oh, let's come down here a bit more. Okay. These fellas are going to come out easily. Okay. So they were both 20 minutes maximum, weren't they? Oh, a bit too high. 20 minutes. And that one was 180 on the fan. And those were 200 on the fan. These are 15 to 20 minutes. And that was 19 to 20 minutes. So if we leave it in there for 20 minutes, we'll probably have burnt them both. It'll do for now though. Right, that's the alarm. I did put a couple of plates in here. They won't be hot, but they won't be cold. I think they're about right. Yep, that one's about right. Turn that off before I forget. Just realised you couldn't see me dishing up the chips. Done that anyway. Okay. So all that's left is I'm going to add a few tomatoes to give us a bit of vegetable. And that should be it. Probably with tomato sauce on. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.